yung mga past issues ko sa nanay ko, when I was growing up, ganyan, hindi ko na binabalik ngayon. Kasi kung ibabalik ko pa yan ngayon, di mas lalong malala kasi nag-shift yung personality nila at the present moment, di ba? Pag early onset of dementia, meron na yung anxiety. They cannot hold their temper anymore. May mga memory loss na yan. Yung mga issues ko, nung bata ko sa nanay ko, kung dadalhin ko pa yan ngayon, mas lalo kami mag-aaway. Kaya nga, for me, that is my own discipline of detachment Na, okay, take her for who she is. Iba ka na ring tao ngayon, mas mature ka na, ikaw na ngayon nag-aalaga, dalhin yung hugot mo nun. Let it be, settle it with yourself in that time and space. But now, hindi na.
Full episode out now.